Hi Adorners, it's springtime and strawberry season. Let's make a beautiful strawberry salad. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend and auntie of lifestyle and decor. Let's get started. So I saw on, I think it was Southern Living, their email newsletter, they had this beautiful strawberry salad, and I thought, man, I sure would like to recreate that. So I got some strawberries, and I have some spinach, some cheese, it's like a garlic and herb cheese bites, and some red wine and olive oil salad dressing. And I thought, let me go ahead and try to recreate a salad. Their salad actually had pecans, I think. But anyway, these are the strawberries that I was going to use. This is a organic red wine and olive oil, kind of like a vinaigrette that I found, which was really nice, as well as this Borson cheese bites. They're garlic and herb. You could also use feta. So I washed and sliced up some strawberries to put on the top of the salad. I had some spinach, and this was just the regular bag spinach that you get at your local grocery store. I washed and cleaned it, and then I plated it, as you can see, on a nice plate. And then I wanted to go ahead and add my vinaigrette or my salad dressing to it, and you could mix this up if you wanted to. Then I decided, okay, let me go ahead and place my cheese bites and my strawberries. Now I use the garlic and herb, but you could use feta, blue cheese, and as well as you could put pecans on this. So at my actual dinner for this, I baked some chicken. I had some cilantro and lime ready rice, some French bread, and I made some green peas. But anyway, I thought this was like a perfect pairing, very easily done, not a lot of prep work, especially for spring. And people really love strawberry salad. I mean, it's just something about it. Anyway, so I just wanted to share it with you, and let me know if you try to make it. All right, Adorner, so that's our easy springtime dinner salad. This was made with a gourmet herb, garlic and herb cheese bites, but this could be done with blue cheese, feta, or whatever your favorite cheese is, your favorite salad dressing, a little cracked black pepper, salt, and more. So I have some cilantro and lime, ready rice, some green peas, some baked chicken, right, and some French bread with a little butter. This is a perfect pairing for a salad and for springtime with a grape. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor, and as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.